Apareyam. These are upper, lower. These are lower means the five elements and mind, intellect and ego. These 8 aspects of me constitute my lower nature. It is Tvanyam. Other than this lower nature is my Prakritim Vidhi me Param. Please understand, Arjuna, is my Prakriti, my nature, which is Param, higher nature. Both are me. These are my lower nature. And I am something higher than these two. What do you mean higher? How can there be higher? This higher me, Jiva Bhutam Mahabaho, oh mighty soldier, please understand, this is the very touch of life. A life element in you, because of which you are alive. The Lord of your heart, according to the Bible, who enlivens everything. Everything is constituted of the 8 lower nature, and the higher nature is the touch of life. The Lord in your heart, who enlivens everything. The wall of the bulb, the anode, cathode and the filament, they constitute my lower nature. And something other than that is the higher nature, electricity, which enlivens the bulb. And what you are seeing is only the enlivened bulb. Here sits in this seat 143 pounds of pure calcium, carbon, phosphorus and water bundled in a skin. But it is thinking, it is feeling, it is expressing. Miracle of miracles. And this is happening in a world where calcium, carbon, phosphorus are all helping each other. The plant kingdom and the animal kingdom. Thus, my lower nature constitutes of these 8 factors. And something other than this lower is my higher nature. Who is talking to you? Autobiographical explanation from the Lord himself. Krishna identified with the higher. He is trying to communicate. He himself is telling you. And my higher nature, Jiva Bhudham Mahabhavo, a mighty soldier, mighty armed soldier, please understand that this is the Jiva Bhuta, the very life principle in you. Yayam dharyate jagat. That is the one that is supporting, enlivening this entire jagat.